Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Windows 11,10 stuck at black screen with blue Windows logo, no spinning dots. First method is press and hold power button for 5 to 10 seconds to perform a hard shutdown. Do this twice to get this screen. Click Startup Settings. Press F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Properties, click Driver tab. Click Rollback Driver, if Rollback Driver unavailable, uninstall driver and restart system. Update Windows. Click Advanced Options, click Optional Updates, if any optional updates available, update it. Second method is press and hold power button for 5 to 10 seconds to perform a hard shutdown. Do this twice to get this screen. Click Uninstall Updates, click Uninstall Latest Quality Updates. Third method is press and hold power button for 5 to 10 seconds to perform a hard shutdown. Do this twice to get this screen. Click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type SFC /scanO. Type BCD edit. Find your Windows installed drive. In my case, Windows installed drive is C. Type CHKDSK /X/R C:. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.